Hello everybody. I'm pleased to share important information with you this morning. You know that in Decathlon India we follow different ways of selling. So you know better than me that we have Decathlon.in. We are also working with marketplaces like Myntra and Flipkart. We are developing the business through B2B and different networks. But for sure, physical stores remain, I would say, a very important part of the turnover. And today in India, we follow three concepts in terms of the physical network. So first of all, we have what we call the Connect stores. So it's a really small point of contact so that we can offer in some shopping malls a quick answer, especially through the click and collect format, all the customers who are visiting these malls. The second format is the most popular one until now. It is what we call the proximity convenience store. So globally we have plenty of stores, more or less 1,500 square meters, pan-India. And the last format is a large one, which is called the flagship. So in each city we try to develop a very nice store, usually around 3,000 square meters. And we try to propose a fantastic experience, you know, in terms of products, in terms of services, and discovering the sport through the playground. What is important to figure out today is, since we started in Sarjapur a long time ago, we have been using the same feature, so baskets, shelves, racks, you know, 48 centimeter deep. And it has been, I would say, the same solution since the start of Decathlon India in terms of physical format. 1 year ago, we have decided to implement a shorter fixture. So instead of 48 centimeter deep, we have reduced, you know, the size and the depth of the fixtures using 36 centimeter deep fixtures. And we have introduced inside Anubhava in Bangalore a full skeleton with these new fixtures. Thanks to this solution, we managed to reduce the store size from 4,000 square meters to 3,000 square meters, keeping the same offer. And since 1 year, the store performance has been really amazing. So now, let's try to detail the three reasons for why stores are invited to invest in shorter fixtures. The first advantage of the shorter fixtures is because they are smaller in terms of depth, you can really improve, you know, the ratio between LMs and square meter. This is very important because the size of an average store in India is around 1,300 square meters, which is obviously not huge. What is super important with this kind of fixtures is, as I explained, each peg, each shelf is smaller by 12 centimeters. So when we talk about a full aisle, you can optimize the space by 24 centimeters. If you do that at store level, it means that you can have one more aisle every 9 aisles. So globally, the advantage of the short fixtures is basically 10% of additional choice for the same space. And this is not the cherry on the cake, it is really a big advantage for the user. Why is it important to extend the choice? It's very simple. We are living in the omni world, but all those visitors who are choosing to go in a store are super motivated by taking the product and leaving the store with the product. We've got some surveys which show that basically 91% of stores customers just want to leave the store with the product, you know, and only 9% of the visitors are interested by extension of range. So the fact of increasing the choice by 10% is just a fantastic news, you know, for the business model of Decathlon Sport India. And that is why we encourage all the stores who have closed their depreciation, you know, for existing fixture, to invest in the short one in the future. The second reason for which we recommend to invest in the shorter fixture is what we call historically in the SI frugality. You know that the business model of our stores rely on the capacity to master the cost. If you invest in shorter fixtures, you will invest also in shorter prices. We all know that the components, and especially metal, increase a lot, at the moment in the world, for sure in India as well. So when you select shorter baskets, shorter pegs, shorter shelves, you will reduce the cost and you will also, I would say, make sure that the frugality remain, I would say, a good habit within the store so that we can, I would say, master the fact of making our sports product available for the many. The third and the last reason for which we encourage stores, I would say, to invest in terms of the short fixture project is the fact that if you use shorter fixtures, you will also request less stock, to provide a good facing inside your layout for the customers. And it is really important because one of the financial ratio, which is really relevant at the company level, is what we call the ROCE. And the ROCE is, I would say, super impacted by the assets. And the most important assets for the store is the stock. So we can obviously try to manage a super good availability and a very high turnover, but reducing the amount of stock we need, at store level. And pan-India, if we manage to do this, we will secure a better SLT and for sure a better GOI. So now that we have seen together the main advantage of using the shorter fixtures, we just need to discuss and share some information according to the roadmap. So as I've explained earlier, we have started with Decathlon Bangalore and Ubava. It was a test. The test has been successful. And now we have also implemented the short fixture project for all the opening stores, pan-India. Now there is a third, I would say, question mark on the table of all the city leaders and store leaders who have finished their depreciation. So we have a list of stores within India for which the depreciation of the old fixtures has been released, and those stores have been contacted one by one so that they can study, to replace the older fixtures by the short ones for the reasons I've just explained before. This is very important that we can get a clear answer, as soon as possible, because we need also, I would say, to work on the forecast. Producing fixtures in India next to Pune with our partner, Kidder, is not something that you can decide on the Friday and get the delivery, on the next week. It's not possible. We have at least 3 months in terms of lead time, before the fact of saying, I'm super interested, in terms of the fixtures and the fact of getting, your first delivery. So if we don't have a clear answer in the coming weeks for the list of stores who have finished their depreciation, we will not be able to secure the change for the spring-summer move, and we will be in difficulty in terms of releasing, a very relevant forecast with our partner. So we really expect everybody to answer. It's not mandatory. Each store decides when it is relevant to invest, but at least, we need a clear feedback. So we expect this feedback in the coming days. So in conclusion, you can see that the short fixture project fits really with the business model of Decathlon Sport India. It's really something which is going to help, I would say, secure a better performance. So first of all, in terms of tier growth, because adding more choice in the store is just, I would say, a fantastic opportunity to seduce more customers. We will have also a very good impact in terms of turnover per LM, and also, as we have detailed, a healthy stock, and a better SLT at the country level. So we really believe that this project is just a strong potential accelerator, and we really encourage everybody to come back to us, in case of a question. So you can contact me. You can also contact Paul Lumen and Diane Honda if you want to get more clarity about the cost and the investment. And definitely, we are expecting your answer. Store leaders who have finished your depreciation, please contact us, as soon as possible so that we can integrate your decision inside the forecast and make sure that in 2022 we will duplicate not only the opening stores but also the existing stores who have ended their depreciation. Thank you for listening. I wish you a very nice time. Stay safe, develop your business, try to satisfy your customer as much as you can, and see you soon in your store and your city.